Spanish era, about 18th century, there were Filipino strongmen assigned to stand guard at the Spanish-built watchtowers. One night, a strange sound like a boom of thunder was heard. Boom, boom, boom. A nightly strange thing happened. The guards were afraid. "Pare, just stay beside me. I am scared." This made them afraid, although they would see nothing, but in the morning footprints were found around the tower. This strange occurrence was reported to the Spaniards. The Spaniards did not believe them until they took their turn in watching the tower, and saw that it was true. They referred to the visiting supernatural beings as Dawinde. Those were elves. Yes, yes, Dawinde. They called this place as Dawin. This was where the watchtower stood, and still stands